Hi, this is José Simas from GeneXproTools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make predictions in time series runs after training that run in testing mode. Before we get exactly into that, let's have a look at what it is testing mode and prediction mode in GeneXproTools. I have here this Excel spreadsheet, which contains a very simple time series, the simplest you can get. And on the left, I'm going to show you how it works, how GeneXproTools deals with this time series in prediction mode. And on the right, I will show you how it works when it is set to testing mode. So let's say we want to load this time series in GeneXproTools and create 3 predictions of this time series. So GeneXproTools grabs all the data, all the time series, when in prediction mode, and puts it in the training set. Then you go to the run panel, you create your models. After which you go into the predictions panel and you ask it to do predictions. So at that point you say I want to do 3 predictions, and GeneXproTools would output 3 predictions, like 16, 17 and 18. So that is how it works in prediction mode. Very simple. In testing mode it's slightly different. What happens is GeneXproTools grabs all the data except the 3 last ones which you want to do the testing with. So it grabs that data and puts it in the training set, and then it grabs the testing data and puts it in the testing set. Now you go into the run panel, but this time GeneXproTools will only use these values here, the training set, to create your models. So when after you select your model, you go into the predictions panel, what happens is GeneXproTools predicts from here on. So it would predict, if the model was good, 13, 14 and 15. Now in demo mode, for example, you don't get to see these values here, but you get to see the statistics. As you see here, the R-square for this case was perfect, and that way you'd be able to assess the prediction power of the algorithm. Now let's look at the real thing. Let's go to GeneXproTools, and let's go open this file with the Dow-Jones time series, which is a testing file, which is in testing mode. So we can see here that is in testing mode, and there's already a few models. Let's select the last model. Let's say I would like to use this model to do predictions. For the moment, I cannot do it because this run is in testing mode. I can see that if I look at the testing, I can see that it matches reasonably well the last values, like I showed you in the Excel spreadsheet. But now I want to do predictions with it. Now the process is very simple. You have to create a prediction run with the same data, the same structure as this testing run. Then we need to import this model, the model from this run, into that new run, and then we can make predictions. And that's quite simple. So let's go and create a new run. It's a time series run. We want it to be in prediction mode. Then we are going to load the data, which I prepared. So the same training set is already here. And I'll just press finish. And this is going to be the Dow-Jones prediction run, and press save. Okay, so the important thing is that both runs need to have the same structure. So let's look at the structure of the Dow-Jones testing. The structure in this case is 10 of head size, 5 number of genes, and 4 emptying dimension, and 1 delete time, of course. We need to go into the prediction and replicate those values. So it was 10 for head size, the genes are already the same, the emptying dimension was 4, and the delete time is the same. Okay, now we would like to go into the history panel to import the models, but we cannot do it without creating runs. So I'm just going to do a very short run here, but creating models. So a very short run, and let's go into here so that we have access to this, and we're going to delete all the models except one. Okay, so now we are ready to import the model that we wanted. That's here. So the model that we wanted is this model number 10, and we wanted to be able to use it from this predictions run. So we go into the history of the predictions run, right click here, press import models, select the prediction run. Pardon me, we have to import models and we have to select the testing run. And there it is. This is the model that we want, that last one. We select it and press import selected. And press close. And there we are. Here is the run, the model. I'm going to delete this other one, which was just a utility model. And we are ready to make predictions. So if you go into predictions panel and we put here some value, like for example 5, and press predict, then we are using the model that was created in testing mode to make predictions. I hope you found this video useful, and please do download the demo GeneXproTools from the link you see on the screen, or if you have any questions, just contact us using the email also on the screen.